Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Wikitech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So guys, in this video, I want to bring up you the best laptops which was value for the money, because due to this COVID situation, everyone was staying in their home and they was doing their work, especially the employees was doing their work in the home and attending the office meetings with the help of these laptops. And also the students also taking the online classes, Zoom classes, Geo Meet app classes, everything, Skype video classes also the students was taking in the laptop. So that's why I want to talk about the laptops. So what are the best value for laptops below the budget 40,000 rupees? And hi guys, I want to let you know a few things here. We have the best brand Intel, everyone know that, and also AMD also. Anyhow, in Intel we have three powerful cores, i3, i5, i7 or even i9 also available, but whereas our budget is 40,000 rupees, so hence we could not expect i7 i9 variant, and we mostly get in this price budget around i3 and i5 also. But the thing is guys, every year the laptops comes with a new generations. You know that in Scooty, Honda 3G, Honda 5G, I mean there was a variation in our vehicle scooters now. So like that, in this computer department also, in the processor department, the laptops, the processor comes with different versions. So right now the 10th generation was going on. So guys, in this 2020, if you want to purchase anything the laptop, just check the processor, whether it is i3 or even the i5, but we need to know the generation. If it is 10th generation, that is the very good thing, where if it is the 8th generation, that is okay, but 9th generation, that is good, but whereas 10th generation, that is the best option to. Hey guys, let's talk about the first laptop in this category. Its cost is around 31,999. You guys can check out, it's none other than Asus Aspiron 3. Yes guys, it comes with i3 10th generation, and also we had 4GB RAM. The interesting thing is it comes with 256 SSD along with Windows 10. Yes guys, this is a fantastic deal from the Acer brand, which was the less. We know that Acer belongs to the Taiwan company. We call it as non-Chinese brand. So this is one of the best laptop in the price around 31,999 rupees. Hey guys, check out here. This is the model number. What I was saying you right now, Acer Aspiron 3. It was available in Flipkart, so it was coming soon. This is one of the best laptop guys. You can check the specifications, some more details. We can use this laptop for multitasking. We can use it happily for multitasking purpose, and also it comes with 45 watts, and we can expect, the company claims that the battery charging is around 8.5 hours, but we can definitely expect the battery is more than 3 to 4 hours on this particular. I know that as per brand very well, those laptops was especially gets the good battery life, so that's why anyhow the company claim here 8.5, but definitely we can expect the lifetime should be more than 5 hours, damn sure. If you look into some more details, where this laptop comes with Intel, it's i3 generation. Interesting thing is i10. I just already told you, if you're investing the money, just invest on the latest one, then you will feel the worth for the money. So as I told, it comes with i3 10th generation. And also guys, the interesting thing is SSD, it comes with 256 SSD capacity, and also the RAM is 4GB DDR4, and also if you look at the frequency, clock speed 1.2, and it can go up to 3.4, and it comes with 2 cores. Hey guys, keep in mind, to get a powerful computer, we need a powerful processor, powerful RAM, along with powerful hard disk. In hard disk, there was two types, SSD and HDD, where HDD is the old when compared to the SSD. SSD is the latest one. The read and write speed was, SSD was very fast. I will going to make a few videos about how to choose the laptop components, each and every part, so I will explain more about that. But anyhow, this laptop comes with SSD, so you can definitely, it's one of the best value for money. money. Before that, the RAM is also DDR4, so that makes me interesting, and i3 makes me interesting. It's the latest generation, 10th generation, that also makes me interesting. So overall, I can say this is one of the best value for the money. We can consider them. So anyhow, so like that, let's talk about the next. If you guys don't like the Acer generation, then Dell is also waiting for you. Anyhow, let's check out. So here is the Dell Inspiron 3493. So here guys, it also comes with 10th generation, and it's also i3 processor guys. That's the latest series from the Dell, and also they are offering here 4GB RAM to 56GB SSD and also Windows 10, but along with it was coming with MS Office. But whereas guys, in the before you have seen the Acer same specifications, here are the same specifications, but if you look at the price is here is around 35,000 rupees. Yes guys, because Dell is one of the fantastic brand. I know Dell very well. I'm the person who fight against the Dell in the consumer court, but still I love the Dell because the service of the Dell was very nice in India when compared to the remaining other brands in India. So that's why they charge a few expensive when compared to the remaining brands, because of that premium service offering for us. So as seen, the weight of the laptop is around 1.68, and also guys, it comes with 14 inches screen. It is enough for reading articles or blogging or online classes or online meetings, webinars, whatever. This type of screen is enough besides the Dell brand, but we need to pay extra 3,000 rupees when compared to the Acer brand, because also it also comes with i3 latest generation 256 SSD, and the RAM is 4GB along with Windows 10, and also it includes the MS Office. So that's why we have to pay money for that. So let's check out the next one. So the next one I have choose here, it's also coming from the Dell brand only. Its model number is 3585. Hi guys, it comes with AMD Ryzen. So guys, yeah, this is what I want to talk, and also just the price is also around 35,000 rupees. AMD Ryzen 5 is equal to Intel i5 generation, so that's why this is the one of the best value for money, which comes in the Dell brand in the price below 35,000 rupees, around 35. So we also consider them, and also guys, it comes with 4GB RAM, 1TB HDD. You need to remember that when compared to SSD, HDD is definitely slow. We're getting here AMD Ryzen 5, so that is what we need to consider here. And also they are also providing here MS Office, and includes the 3 graphics, and its cost is around and its weight is around 2.2 kg. So it is also one of the best deal guys in the Dell brand. If you want the Dell brand, the previous one i3 10th generation is also good deal, but if you want the processor some more powerful with Dell brand, then this is for you. So, and also guys, it's also cost is around 35,000. And then the next brand is the Lenovo. Hey guys, keep in mind, Lenovo is the brand which belongs to China. So it's a kind of Chinese product, but it is up to your decision. But Lenovo also one of the best brand in making computer. Whereas its model number is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i, and also guys, it comes with a 10th generation Intel processor. The screen is 14 inches, and also the screen they mentioned here Full HD, 36,490 rupees, which is nothing but 36,500. Little bit of expensive because of the Full HD screen and latest i3 10th generation along with 4GB RAM. And also guys, they're providing here also 256 SSD. So usually I told you SSD is very good read and write speed, and also guys, they are also providing as Windows 10. That's the good news. And also they was adding MS Office, and its weight is around 1.68 kg. So which is one of the good deal, because if you guys want to do little bit of photo editing, little bit of video editing in this price category in i3 processor, then I will definitely recommend this HD panel, Full HD panel for you. Because when compared to previous, it comes with Full HD, so that's the good thing. So which is useful for the people who doing little bit of content in this type of laptop. So let's talk about the next thing. It also comes from Lenovo only, IdeaPad. Its model number is S145. Hey guys, if you look at this price, is just around 33,158 rupees, and it comes with 8th generation, and it also comes with 4GB RAM with 1 TB, whereas it's also Intel i3 and Windows 10 was integrated. So it is also the people who do not able to afford more than 36,000. The previous one cost is around 36,500. The present one cost is around 33,000 rupees around. So if the people who loves the Lenovo brand, if you can't able to invest 36,500, then it is the best, one of the best choice which was available in the market. But keep in mind, it also comes with i3. We happy, but the thing is, it comes with 8th generation. Okay, we can go up to 8th generation, 8th, 9th, 10th also we can consider, but it comes with 8th generation, and also it comes with 1 TB HDD. That is the okay. We are getting around 1024 GB, but the hard disk type is HDD here. I wish instead of giving HDD, if they give SSD, that would be more sweet. And also, guys, it's the interesting thing here. Also, it comes with a full HD screen, and Windows 10 was pre-installed, and its weight is around 1.85. So it is also one of the best deal from the brand Lenovo in our price category. So let's look at the next one. This is also from the Lenovo brand only. Its cost is around 39,190 rupees. Yes, guys, because it comes with 10th generation of i5 processor. So guys, it's the powerful processor i5 along with 4 GB RAM with 1 TB HDD. But keep in mind, this one, the operating system comes with DOS. It does not come with Windows 10, which means you need to add additional money to purchase the Windows 10 Home Edition or even the Pro. Home is enough for us. So which means you need to pay extra 5,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees more. But anyhow, after purchasing the system, if you are okay, then you can able to use the Windows crack version, then it will be good for you. But keep in mind, if you're using the crack version, then you won't get updates, no security updates. So which means there was a little bit of risk when you're visiting to unknown sites. And the next one is from the brand Asus. Asus is also a brand which belongs to Taiwan. It's the VivoBook Series 14. So guys, it also comes with i3 processor with 10th generation. It comes with 4 GB RAM, 256 hard disk, SSD type, and also it comes with Windows 10 Home Edition. So it is also one of the best value for money. The interesting thing is, guys, it comes with just weight around 1.5 kg. So if you are a person who travel usually one place to another place, then this is one of the best laptop for you, which was available in the market in this price category with latest features. So anyhow, if you are also the person who likes the Asus brand, this is the one of the brand which was available for us in best price deal. See the design of the webcam. So if you are okay with that design, then you can definitely go for this one. And also, guys, whether this laptop also comes with Full HD LED screen, so that is the interesting thing. The previous ones comes with LCD, but this one comes with Full HD with LED. So Asus provides a lot of specifications with small, and they charge the small amount. So in that category, this is one of the best laptop what I feel. Let's look at another one. It also comes from the Asus VivoBook Series 5. It comes with AMD processor, and it comes with 4 cores, so which means we can expect this laptop is equal to the Intel i5 processor. Let's look at the specification. The interesting thing is here it comes with 512 GB SSD along with 8 GB RAM, and also it comes with Windows 10 Home Edition, where guys it also comes with Full HD and Full HD with LED screen. The screen size is 15.6 inches. Hey guys, this is one of the best deal. If you wish, you can happily buy this AMD brand. And also, guys, the interesting thing is here it comes with 4 cores. There was a lot of uses. If you have more cores, then which means we can do any task easily. So that's why the previous one all comes with 2 cores only. But I show you in the Dell brand, there is one of the AMD Ryzen 5. It also comes with 4 cores. Its price is around 5,000 rupees nearly. But right now, here is the brand from the Asus. It's also providing us a AMD quad core processor, and it comes with 4 cores, and if you look at the graphics, it comes with the Radeon R7. So guys, definitely you can do little bit of video editing, little bit of photoshopping happily in this laptop with full HD screen. So the last but not the least is from the brand HP. So guys, in India, I believe first my preference is in Windows segment, my preference is Dell, after HP, after Asus, Lenovo, but more than Lenovo I love the brand Asus, and also right now here is the HP. So HP also offering 10th generation and i3 processor with 512GB SSD along with 4GB RAM, and it comes with Windows 10 Home, and also guys, its weight is around 1.69 kgs. It also comes with a full HD WLED screen, which is very good. But if you look at the price is 39,000 rupees nearly. But anyhow, HP charging more money. Here they're giving the thing we need to consider here, SSD. The cost of the SSD was seriously very high when compared to the HD, but here they're providing 512 SSD, but whereas the previous all they're providing 256 SSD, but HP providing here 512GB SSD along with full HD screen, and so that's why they are charging the HP also around 39,000 rupees. So that's it guys. I did not consider the Intel Pentium and Intel Celeron process, because I told you that if we buy any laptop, that laptop should fulfill our upcoming needs in the future years. So that's why if you purchase this laptop, definitely it will give you the best value for money, and they will definitely fulfill the future needs also for you also. So that's why I did not look the Intel Pentium processor, Intel Celeron process. But anything, if you are buying the system, just try to purchase the 10th generation. It is the latest which was running in this 2020, or at least 8th generation or 9th generation is good. Just think once before investing your money in the market. So guys, I hope I have provided something information which was useful for you. So guys, that's it in this video. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. I see you very soon in the next video. Take care. We are like family. Stay connected. Take care.